There's a sign right there called Alameda da Harmonia. We're basically gonna walk down that street. We're gonna probably go along these little murals because I really want to see what that's all about. This is kind of like some social housing, and we're kind of in Coloane, basically. I think they call this Coloane now. And basically Coloane is that mountain, so that whole area is all one island that was traditionally here. And then the other island over there is Taipa, and then they put a land, they filled in all the land between the two and called it Kotai, Coloane, Taipa. So all these casinos are on reclaimed land. So basically they're building this whole train line. They already built it throughout the casinos and through the airport and all the way to Ocean Gardens to the top of Taipa. But now it's also being built into all the way down to here to Coloane. And I think it's either going to go to Hengqin, which is going to be part of Macau in the future, which is currently part of China. But they're kind of going to do some, I don't know, what we'll see what happens in 2023. It's a little bit vague, but they're talking a lot about it, but it's not fully realized yet to really know. But anyways, we're going to be walking down that. I'll tell you a lot more about all the stuff that's going on, including that too. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. We're gonna go down that street. I'm gonna walk along the side real quick, but yeah, they're building all this train lines stuff, so that'll be in the future. And then those buildings right over there are all for the hospital. Call it Islands Hospital. So that's all kind of new developments right there. So all of that is like the last year and a half probably, and then all that casinos are the last, I don't know, 15 years or something like that. Some of them, like there's always constantly new stuff all the time too. So we're gonna be walking down this street, but we're gonna just kind of focus on these murals as well. Let me just kind of see. So just got some kind of land. So we're gonna just walk up the murals and kind of check it all out and see what we got here. Got a stick there, right? Looks kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna be walking all the way down that way. So so that's gonna be our plan. He's got a stick, so I had to yell at him because he's autistic and sometimes he gets so focused in what he's doing, so he was kind of going off in a different direction. But I need him with me because I'm responsible for him. I gotta watch him all the time. Not all the time, I share the responsibility, but pretty cool art here. Really cool art. Wait, what is that? Is that like a washing machine? Factories. Right on the other side of this mountain, there's like factories over there, so that's kind of funny. Some cool art though, I like the colors. So that's kind of cool. That tree looks like a carrot. A carrot top with an apple in its hair. Cool, apple tree. Save the earth. ABC, little English school. Cool looking apartments there. Boy, it looks kind of cool, that walking stick too. That artwork looks amazing. Like I really like that artwork a lot. Like there's looks like the same kind of artist kind of did it all, but it looks kind of like looks like a school did it. But you know, some of the themes, the way that the drawings are, you can feel like it's the same artist basically. So anyways, this is kind of like the social housing. Oh, there's more all the way down. And I wonder what they're gonna do with all this. And it looks like the only way to go down that street is to go up. So it looks like that's what we'll have to do. And it looks like they also give it all the same name. So Alameda da Harmonia, and that other street that goes all the way down is also Harmonia as well. And it looks like we're forced to come up here, which is good because we're going to get a really good view. So we push that button. Okay, now we're up here for the $1 million view. Let's go check it all out. It's kind of cool already. So what we're gonna do is get right to the middle, and I'm gonna try to capture it right there. So now we can see that little reservoir. I guess you can kind of see it's kind of the same actually, to be honest. We got the boy with a walking stick. He's ready for some more walking. And then this is the other view too. So the only way to get across that street is to go up this way. So let's do that. Let's follow that down. And so yeah, actually got some pretty good views of the mountains over here of Coloane. So those are a bunch of hiking trails in there. Huh, wonder what that apartment is like that brownish one. Yeah, so this is kind of like social housing. This is what I've been told. So they built like a bunch of like really small places just to kind of keep people in some housing. Okay, so yeah, Ip Hang is the name of the social housing units. And I have filmed in here before. There's 3 streets. There's Dois, Tres. I'll just show you the names of them real quick. More edifícios, more buildings over there. Edifício is a Portuguese word for social housing, restaurants, and health, like a health clinic. So okay. So it kind of looks like this. There's like a bunch of middle space. That's 3rd Street of Ip Hang. Ip Hang is the apartment complex. So I think what my plan is, and then this is going to be Deutsch, and then 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So we're going to go by number 2 as well. Then I think we have to go up if we want to walk all the way down to the end of the street, which I do. And Deutsch Ip Hang, Hua Deutsch de Ip Hang. So we got more stuff like that. And we are going to keep on going up because I want to see more. And I think the only way we can do it is to go up again, same way. Look at those kind of rows of apartments like that. This is for the elevator right there. So let's go for the elevator. They're telling us to do, so we might as well do it. Okay, let's go up. Okay, more people crossing all the different roads in this way. I guess they don't really want pedestrians going across, so they have all these ways to kind of go over everything. I'll try to show you in a minute. So as you can see, they're really trying to prevent pedestrians from running across, so they have to go up and over. It's like they're building another new building over there. And same thing here too. So you kind of have to go, oh, there's somebody running across. That lady, don't get hit, lady. How are you gonna get over this street? It's like, must be mainlander. That's so mainlander-ish. I went to Zhuhai and there's like mainlanders run across like this all the time. They also try to keep the survival rate up there so people don't get hit by cars a lot. And but people still run across like that. And in Zhuhai it's like really bad. I was filming it one time and it was just like so incredible. If I can film, if I remember right and I find that footage, I'd like to put it in here again. And anyways, I kind of want to walk all the way up to here as well and get all the way to that rock and just kind of see what's over there. But this is basically a bus terminal, and then basically this is that whole little street that we're at. So we're gonna push that. It could go down as well, down the stairway. Okay, let's go down this way. Another lady, he's okay, but there's one lady walking down in the middle of the road over there. And when I drive my car, I hate that when people are like, she's on her phone too. Can you see her right there? I hate that. Okay. Anyways, let's go down to the ground. Okay. I think they're coming out of work, I guess. He's doing it too. So they're also going across as well. So they're supposed to go up around like that. So everybody keeps breaking that rule. So yeah, they're going across too, and then there's no way to get across, so they have to walk all the way around as well. These two as well. Wow, that's so crazy. Now they have to run across because otherwise they're gonna get hit by a car. Wow, this is all like social housing, this whole area. So So I don't know if the social housing are people that were like grew up in mainland China or something like that, and they kind of like don't really understand the rules of society, like how to not get hit by cars. Anyways, I'm gonna not get on that rant, but anyways, we're gonna go straight ahead. Man, that really bothers me when I see that, because I drive a car and a lot of people walk in the road like that and you can't see them because there's so much activities in the roads, and the death rate is kind of high of people getting hit by cars because they're like, you know, sometimes they're on their phone, they're doing crazy stuff, not paying attention, they're running in those areas like that, and if you're the driver, then you're responsible for that. So it's like how can you be responsible when people are like so blatantly doing something so inappropriate? Anyways, so that's our rock over there, and somehow there's bikes that get over there as well. I think they're going right over there, so I'm gonna do the same. That's our Target Street right there. Cute little dog there. And I think I can go across. It looks like they're also trying to block people from going in here too. So there is a way to get over there, but this is not it. There's a sidewalk in there, so there's obviously, it's intended for people to walk over there, but so beautiful too. Let's just walk down just a little bit down and to see if we can see an entryway. But anyways, we're kind of off the path of our street, and I just want to get over there real quick. Looks like we can do it right here. Oh, that's wet. It's really wet. So we did it. Pants a little bit wet. I just wanted to get to the end of the road. I want to touch that rock with my hand, and then I want to film that in that direction. And I've never touched this rock. I've never been all the way to this side before either, so I also wanted to do that as well. Oh, you can climb this so easily because you have all the stuff for your hands. It's crazy. Okay. I think that way just getting rid of the stick. Or no, he's checking for the depth of it. Smart. Okay. So anyways, we made it to the end of that street. That was our Target Street right there. And yeah, basically walked all the way the length of it from that construction all the way down to here. Kind of cool. Very cool. I hope I remember to put some footage of some stuff I filmed in Zhuhai of people kind of running across like that. Anyways. Dun, dun, dun. Also watch this. So there's all these people here, right? So they're supposed to stay on the crosswalk, and then basically right here there's a whole guardrail, so there's no way you can go this way, and there's a guardrail right here, so there's no way you can go this way either. So what they do, what these pedestrians do, is they just walk down the middle of the road. So even though there's all these cars in the middle of the traffic, they can't get over here because this is a guardrail that's trying to prevent people from doing that. And I think my understanding is there's going to be facial recognition to fine all these people with so many strikes, and then they can't do this anymore. Like they can't travel and can't do different things. But yeah, right here it's kind of entertaining, right? Because it's like just kind of a big mess. So let's go over to the other side, and we'll just kind of show what it looks like over here. So yeah, so here's the other side of it. So yeah, these people are walking in the bike lane. So they're actually kind of okay, but nobody's in the pedestrian street. But yeah, there's also this rail here so that people can't go across. So they're supposed to go all the way down and then go over. So we'll come back over here. So yeah, so here's a woman just casually walking with her cell phone, like in the middle of the street. Here comes a car right here. And there's another lady over there. So they're basically right in the middle of the street, right? This lady's in the middle of the street over here. This guy, he's going in his bike right into the lane of traffic. So yeah, it's basically kind of insane. I think there's a lot of traffic down
Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.